Hi, it's Debbie Weller with the Weller team, and I'm here to show you a new listing that I've got here in Ormond by the Sea, which is an amazing area. But we're starting out here because the pool is back actually on the west side of the building, which has a lot of benefits in those winter months for you snowbirds and the people that are here that love to enjoy the weather in the winter time. This is a great place to do so because of the protection of when it's cold and windy and everything in the winter months. So, but step inside, you do have this little porch area, and there's a storage closet that you'd have bicycles and stuff. And then you enter into the unit here, and this has a really great layout because the bedrooms are actually at the back because, you know, we need to sleep and get our rest, but you don't need to spend all of your time in your bedroom. You're going to spend your time in your living areas, which is going to give you the ocean views you'll see in just a minute. This here is the master bedroom, and this master bedroom layout is nice because it has a split bath and it has a second vanity. It does have two full-size closets as well. And then we're going to step back out here. You'll see as we come through that this has a neutral tile through most of the units, with the exception of the carpet in the two bedroom areas. But the bathrooms are tiled. Again, it's all neutral colors. And then one of the things, it opens up into this living area, and you immediately have your ocean views and the light and bright coming in from the outside. And you notice the wet bar with the sink and everything there. We're going to finish up with the inside, and then we'll go out to the balcony and take a look at these views. But you've got the dining area. Now, this has an open breakfast bar, but a lot of people that have purchased these units have opened up this entire area, which is really an easy remodel to do. So there's nothing structural to be concerned about. You just can take this wall out and do some things. And they have upgraded the cabinets in here over time, but you have your laundry area in here as well, which is really nice and convenient. You've got your full-size washer and dryer right here inside your unit. So, all right, so now we're going to show the best part. Now we are on Ocean Shore Boulevard. We are up north of Ormond Beach and Daytona Beach. And this is really nice. We're on the second floor, and it's got the nice glass railings so you can see through. You're not going to obstruct the view. You just have the rails. We are across the street, but there are no other buildings. And the other great thing about this part of the beach in Ormond by the Sea is that there is no driving on the beach. So it's very natural. It's great. And there's some nice shopping and different things up the street, not too far. And we have Flagler Beach also, which is a great little surf town with some shops and restaurants and great places just a little bit to the north. So if you're looking for a condo in the Daytona area, take a look at Windermere Shores. We're in Unit 205, and this is being offered at $400,000. Thank you.